Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Deskjet 2800 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our PC, Windows 10 PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. That is also very easy and simple. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. And in a search type HP Deskjet 2800 driver download and hit enter key on our keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer, and here we find our printer name. Open that link. And official website of the HP printer is open. Here we find our printer name, and here we find our operating system. If operating system is not right or PIT is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Select Windows in operating system. In a version, select Windows 10 32-bit if your machine is 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. After that, click on the update. After that, this page or this box goes to refresh. Scroll down and here we find many options. Go to this option. Installation software and full basic driver supports prints and scan functionality only. Expand it. Click at here, expand it. Here we find our printer name HP Deskjet 2800 series and click on this download button. Click on the download. It's redirect you to the another official page of the HP, and download is started at the top. At the top our download is started, and it's take 1 to 5 to 10 minutes depending on the speed of our internet. So be patient and wait for few minutes. Our download is now completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in a folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and this setup file is basically a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it, click on extract files, click on the OK. Now unzip process is start, and it's also take 1 to 5 minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes to completely and properly unzip this file on our PC or laptop. Wait for few minutes. Now our unzip process is done. Here we find our newly unzip file or the folder. Double click on this folder, and here we find our drivers. Closed. Next step is install these drivers. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds, and in few seconds new options are pop up. The printer that I want isn't listed. New option, click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here, and if you find .4_001 HP printer device, HP printer, if you find any HP port, then select that HP port. If you not find any HP port, the next option is USB. Select any USB, USB 201, USB 202, USB 203, USB 204. Select any USB, click on the next. Wait for a few seconds, click on have disk. Click on browse, go to the desktop. Here we find our newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Go to the driver, double click on driver. Here we find some files. Select any file. All file contain same driver, same printer driver. Select any file. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find two options: HP Deskjet 2800 series PCL3 version 3 and version 4. Select any version that you like. I select first and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give HP Deskjet 2800 series. You can free to give any name that you like and click on next. It's installing our printer and it's take 1 or 2 minutes, so be patient and wait for a few minutes or few seconds. After that, our printer is installed. Now if you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select to not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, in a printer list, if you find your printer name HP Deskjet 2800, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.